Hello, I'm Patrick Linnell with CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by MS Biotech. Lactopro Advance from MS Biotech is a proven solution for feeding less hay, accelerating transition to a high-energy diet, and reducing days on feed. Try Lactopro Advance. Make a direct impact. Accelerate. Market sooner. As we settle into a new year, cattle producers are also trying to become familiar with the market personality and expectations for feeder cattle and calves in 2019. The distinct seasonal patterns of feeder cattle and calf prices are a useful starting place in forming price expectations. Feeder cattle prices tend to make a seasonal low in the January to April timeframe as large numbers of calves that were sent to backgrounding yards or winter grazing operations are marketed. Currently, poor feed yard pen conditions from tough winter weather are also hampering feeder cattle demand. CattleFax expects that U.S. average 750-pound steer prices will find a low in the upper 130s in the first quarter of the year, although there is risk to the mid-130s. From there, feeder prices will seasonally improve into the spring and summer. Into the spring, expect price resistance in the upper 140s to 150 area, with the level of the deferred live cattle futures playing a major factor in spring feeder values. From the winter-spring low to the summer high, feeder cattle have averaged a 16% rally over the past 10 years. A large feeder cattle supply and the potential for more summer grazing cattle suggests a milder rally this year, with the summer high in the upper 150s. The calf market, basis of 550 weight steer, has already seen a seasonal improvement from the lows this past fall. Expect calf demand at calf prices to make a seasonal high in the coming months as summer grazing operators fill their needs. Again, large supplies will be price limiting, while positive summer grazing prospects will be supportive, suggesting a reasonable expectation for a high in the low to mid-180s. A lot could change between now and the 2019 fall calf run. An average seasonal decline from the first half high to the second half low is about 17%. Due to a larger expected calf crop in 2019 and risk of softer demand from the cattle feeding segment, a slightly stronger decline is possible and implies price risk to the lower to mid-140s for a fall low. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real. The volatility is extreme. The risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective. Our vision is global. Our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.